So yeah, give me a few minutes to go to the room.
What time make? Ooh! They finna get those some steak. Oh my bad, I'm gonna get it. You need anything? I'm basically, oh yeah, I'm just up now. You know what I mean? You guys, especially you guys, need oven. That's my goal. She, hers will take me over. So we're gonna head to a week, right? Did you guys Friday morning?
Friday of the position? Probably. I might just go straight to positions. It doesn't really make sense unless we're collecting here to make sure everybody has a fish here.
We don't have to do that. I think it's
It's like scraping in there.
Until lunch.
Oh, right here? Okay, thank you. second I thought it wasn't coming off at all.
I ain't trying to make it feel weird. I'm gonna see y'all when the hallways and like dealing with the cream passes, but we like to come plan on dealing with the cream passes. But like no video, I'm done. I'm leaving too, but I'm doing this. Can you read it? Where's my canola? My canola over here.
So you got the 40 and the 20, right? The 30's in the middle. Anyway, you got that kind of curve. But on your bit of it,
come on.
Okay. Where are you at?
I'm over here.
Okay, you're over here. Okay. Hey, this is way more than, well, you can season it up, but let's only cook half of it. Okay.
Oh, it's some salt and pepper. You want me to get it for you?
Yeah.
Well, it'd be better, it's easier too to add it. You can add a third of a cup, but it's easier if you don't add it all at the same time.
I'm cooking.
You know, a little spoon, a little spoon, a little spoon, a little spoon, a little spoon.
Okay, I'm cooking some.
Seasoning, baby.
I just want to learn I don't know why. I know it's good.
Because you thing is, you don't need seasoning, but I know you need seasoning. Everybody needs seasoning. Oh, you black beans, but Okay, I mixed it. Now it's gonna put it in a pan.
Much better than last time.
I need a big pan. Got one.
What do you have on your recipe?
That night I didn't want to get.
Did you see the fruit? I didn't see the fruit. Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna put this in the oven. I gotta put this in the oven. I need to skill it. I gotta put this in the oven 350. They went to the bathroom like 20
What you got?
She said she needs her skin.
They still in the bathroom? I don't know if they went to the bathroom, but they was like, she was like, oh, we got 20 minutes. Get my camera.
Did you finish the salt on the fruit? A little bit of salt is gonna come out. But it's really good. Oh my God.
This girl came out if we didn't go to lunch.
Like they don't want to. Well, for Thai dishes they do. See, I never had those.
Oh, we didn't have
Good job. Good job.
Excuse me. We're gonna be right back, y'all. You ready? I sent to you. We back, y'all. I'm not scared, but I sent to you. We back. Let me know if you get it. We back in the kitchen. I'm sorry. You wait till I start making my video for me to so calm the door. It don't matter. I probably should go to me so I order you Popeyes.
You need Popeyes?
Yeah.
I'm surprised.
What you trying to say?
I didn't see it.
I know
It didn't say it.
one can, $15.
Alright, we're gonna get Popeyes. But I want the spicy chicken sandwich and the fries. And black beans.
We don't eat this shit, but we're gonna add it. We ain't gonna add it either. Cause I don't eat black beans.
Why y'all gonna do red beans?
They said $50. It's $29.
Wait, what is this for?
Huh?
What is this for?
This for the competition.
How you feel?
Nice.
What the fuck? Did my face stop working?
look like little child Mason. This looks like gumbo.
Look on, let me see. What does it say? I don't see that. You see what I'm making? Now scroll down.
Okay,
What does that do for the chicken?
it says, so you already doing
This one's so big.
It said rinse the black goods.
Okay, what's the mouth? What's after that?
How the fuck I rinse them?
I don't know, that's me, because I don't know. What is that? I'm gonna see how after this kind of fat ass come from her. I'm gonna see how after this after I put it in the pan, so I'm gonna get it all. Dang, y'all, look at this, what I'm doing.
If you ever want to talk about stuff,
I'm doing. This one's like that. Damn, I'm gonna try it, I guess. You still paying up dishes?
yeah, please go.
What are they? They're dry beans. But I ain't gonna eat no beans, but yeah. So the rest of it good. That's the only part. I wouldn't take the beans out, but I gotta cook with it. Let me show y'all. It's gonna eat. Now you jalapenos are just fun. That's all the place of ice.
Child, get off. Don't put me off. Don't get pissed up. It's good though. Right? Yeah.
The rice never like rice and down. Yeah, I never get enough. Oh, I should have had potatoes. I'm tired. We should have got the rice first.
Yeah, the rice kind of hard.
I seen that video. We out.
Hey now, girl, put on your crown, and I love when you around. When I'm down, you hold me up. Take this cat on.